you ready?
Yes.
What are we gonna do?
We'll open this box.
Which box?
Fillmore, the cars.
Fillmore on the cars?
Yeah, but there, look, a minute. Open it.
All right, we're gonna open this box right here. Gonna see if we can do this video without editing anything out. Huh?
Yes.
Say thumbs up.
So,
Thumbs up. High five. Knuckles. There we go. All right. Do you know how to open a box?
yes.
All right. Try it. Start.
Okay, go, 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 go.
All right, Goofy, go, go, go. Okay, let's see.
Open it.
I'll be with the tape.
Open it. Open it.
Okay, let's see. As he sets it down. Okay, I need it right here, Leo. Right there. All right. You got it?
Yes.
Okay, what do you do now? Remember, we take this part out right here. Right here. All right. Look it. You have to get it, remember?
Yes.
Okay. Pull the box. Let's see if we can do it. One-handed. Who's a pro?
Here's a bullet. Here's the car. Open it,
Who is that?
Open it, Fillmore.
You got Fillmore.
Open it, Fillmore, Mama.
Oh, look at this. What else is this, huh? Oh, I think this is the extensions that go to the other ones. I know he has Mater's house.
Open it.
Yeah, Mater's house in your home, huh?
Open it, this one. Open it, get the car.
And that's how it looks like unboxed. Okay, let's see if I can just take it off of the box.
Okay.
What'd you say, bud? Say it again.
No.
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 Why not?
Yes.
Sing it again. That was cute. Oh. Boo. Once I turn the camera on, he doesn't want to do it anymore. All right. It's pretty cute. I want to do it like right now because we can see the lights.
The light.
Huh. Fillmore.
It's Fillmore.
What else did you say about it?
Open it.
All right, that's unboxed.
Open it.
Here's the box, obviously.
Open it, Fillmore, Mama. Open it, Fillmore.
Fillmore's still trapped inside. Let's see what we can do. Huh?
Yes.
What do you think, Leo?
Yes.
A plus?
Yeah.
A plus. I really like the lights on Fillmore's house. Huh?
Fillmore's house. Fillmore's house. It's Fillmore's house. It's Fillmore's house. It's Fillmore's house. It's the Fillmore's house. Where's the Fillmore's house?
And we have to connect it to Mater's house. Huh? Mater's house is in the house? Huh?
Yes.
Mater's house is in the house. Look how cute is that? We got a little inside area right here. Let's see if I can kind of... Oh, I can't. What is this right here? The little dangly thing. And we got little Fillmores right here. A little windmill in the back.
I did this one too. Go like this.
What is that?
I did the gold, the diggers. I got diggers and Fillmore.
Oh yeah.
And the diggers and Fillmore.
What else can you do with it, Leo?
Yes. Oh, work out.
All right, let's do this paper right here. All right, this is the paper I'm talking about right here. Radiator springs. The one that we have so far is this one right here, which is Mater's house. And then we have Fillmore's house. So we also have to get the museum. We have to get Sarge. We have to get Doc. Oh, my camera. We have to get Cozy Cone. We gotta get Luigi's. Where's Luigi's?
Open this one. Open this one.
What?
Open this one. Open this one, Mama.
Okay, we'll open it right now. All right, something he was trying to open is this little extension right here. I think it's to connect it to I think to Sarge's house, because I'm not too sure. Because let's see.
Look, this one. Look at this one. Look at this one. Too cool. There's Fillmore.
Where's Fillmore? You put him in home.
Where is Fillmore? It's Fillmore right there.
Oh yeah, Fillmore right there. Watching.
Thanks for watching.
Okay. What did you say?
Thanks for watching. Get thumbs up.
What?
Oh, wow. I want to get Mater's house. The door open. We can fit this one. This one go right there. To fit this one. Go right there with this one. Right there. We'll have the lights on. And go right there. And look at the Fillmore. Half of this one.
All right, Leo, it's getting late, okay? So you have to say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Say see you later.
See you later.
Say give it a thumbs up.
Give it a thumbs up.
All right. We'll also get Mater's house too, okay?
Yes.
Say that. Say we'll get Mater's house.
Okay.
All right, guys. See you later.